Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to our kitchen. We are making something super tasty today.
We are. We're doing another one pot. One pot dinner.
We are loving these one pots. You guys, they make dinner really easy.
One pot, that's it. That's all you need is one pot.
Josh loves them so much. I do too, I do too. All right, okay, we're having a moment. But it's like making dinner time so easy, so we love it. And Josh has found a really good one, and it's healthy.
Yeah.
What? And I liked it.
She really liked it, which
healthy.
is surprising.
Hey,
No, I'm kidding.
Tell us, Josh, what are we making today?
Okay, today we're making a one-pot Southwest quinoa sweet potato with chicken dinner.
Here's one thing you should know. You can make this without the chicken, and then it's a vegetarian dish.
Yeah, you switch out the chicken and the chicken broth, vegetarian.
Vegetarian. I don't know why I'm doing a shimmy.
I don't either.
All right, what do we need?
Okay, so here are the ingredients you'll need for the one-pot Southwest dinner. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 sweet potato chopped into half-inch chunks, 1 yellow onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 green bell pepper chopped, 2 tablespoons Southwest seasoning, 1 cup uncooked quinoa pre-rinsed, 1 can fire-roasted tomatoes diced, 1 can rotel, 1 can black beans rinsed, 1 can green chilies diced, 1½ cups chicken broth, 1½ cups shredded chicken, 1/2 cup lime juice, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 1/2 cup cojita cheese crumbled. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is saute the sweet potatoes because they take the longest to cook.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll turn on the oven to medium-high heat, pour the olive oil into the Dutch oven. Okay, so once the olive oil has heated up, you want to add the sweet potatoes. And we will just saute these for about 5 minutes.
All right, I'll stir.
Get over here.
You're trying to give me a job.
All right, saute those. Okay, so the 5 minutes is up, and the sweet potatoes look very delicious and sauteed great. The next step is we're going to add the onions, the diced onions. We will saute the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're soft. So we'll saute these and be right back. Okay, the onions are nice and soft. So the next thing we're going to add is the garlic, the red pepper, the green pepper, and the Southwest spice. Now I should say the Southwest spice you can get in a packet, like a fajita seasoning packet, or you can make it yourself, and it's really easy to make, so do it.
Why is he hassling you guys? Maybe you don't have time to make your own Southwest spice. Maybe you want to just buy the fajita packet. I would buy the fajita packet.
So we're gonna stir this up and saute all of these for about 3 more minutes. Lots of sauteing, guys. And now it's time to add pretty much everything else. We'll add the quinoa, the diced tomatoes, the rotel, green chilies, the black beans. Lastly, we will add the chicken broth.
And if you want to make this vegetarian, you just use vegetable broth, right, Josh?
Exactly. And leave out the chicken.
And leave out the chicken.
So we'll go ahead and stir this all up together. Make sure it's really well incorporated. And then we will turn this up to high heat and let this whole mixture come to a boil. Then we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Once this is simmered for about 15 minutes, you want to stir in the shredded chicken, and then you want to let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the quinoa has absorbed most of the liquid. Now you want to remove the pot from the heat and stir in the cilantro and lime juice. Okay, we are done. We're done, except we're going to garnish with some cheese and cilantro, but mostly we're done.
Mostly we're done, then we get to eat it.
So lastly, you can garnish with a little bit of cojita cheese, which is really, really good.
Yum.
And then a little bit of cilantro.
A little bit of cilantro if you want. And one night Josh made it for dinner and he put fresh avocado on top, and that was really good too.
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
Yep.
Yum, I can't wait to try it.
Let's try it.
I love it. I love it so much. It's so good and it's healthy.
It's so good, guys. You really have to try this.
We have really enjoyed making these one-pot dinners, and thank you for your comments, because you guys are making them too.
Yeah, we see you when you tag us, and the pictures are great, so we love it.
We love it
so much.
We get so excited. Josh will be like, look, Ange, and he'll show me, or I'll show him. So if you guys make the one-pot Southwest, was it quinoa sweet potato? It's such a long title. Here, I made this.
Yeah, if you make that, tag
us. Or if you make it without chicken, tag us.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by our kitchen.
All right, guys, bye.
See you next time. enough about me and my weird relationship with beans. I think the quinoa was sesame seeds.
Awesome.
Okay, sorry. I was like,
Get ready.
I wasn't ready. Don't tickle me. This video is brought to you by Josh's biceps. Why'd you? Ew. Why are you making that noise? So thank you guys for stopping by our kitchen.
All right, guys.
Okay. What just happened?
I don't know.
You're like brain computer. You're like, how
to talk.
Do you guys see that I'm just like clutching my cup of tea, like my warm cup of tea? Because Josh keeps the house like a freaking ice box.
70 degrees is not an ice box.
It's not 70 degrees.
It's 70 degrees.
It is not 70 degrees.
You want to bet? Let's bet.
You must have just checked it.
Let's bet.
No.
Shake my hand.
He's checking.
Aha!
What is it?
70 degrees.
I don't believe you.
70 degrees.
I think the thermostat's broken.